Alright, so I just wanted to do a walkthrough of what it's going to be like to be a panelist during one of our webinars. So first, you're going to receive an email from us that is an invite to be a moderator or a panelist for one of these webinars. So that is probably going to say, it says test webinar right now. It'll say probably the name of the session. And below it actually has the date and the time that the webinar is going to occur. Right here is where you'd click to join. You can click there. Now I will say it's going to be beneficial for you to already have the Zoom app already downloaded. So it propagates right here and you are good to go. It's just a little bit more easy workflow when you do it that way. So I'm going to join with video for right now. Now if for some reason you were joining late, you would want to join without video, so that way when you jumped in it would not pop up on any of the attendees' screen. You can just kind of sneak in. So I'm going to join with audio. I'm going to keep myself muted right now, which you will too. Everyone will stay muted and their videos will be hidden during this whole process while the speaker is going. Now, this might be a situation where you want to jump in with questions. So in your situation, what you're going to be doing is you're going to unmute yourself and mute yourself from time to time. Now, there is a key command that we use, which is Alt-A, and you can use that to mute and unmute yourself without the cursor. So that's some of the basic functionality there. So you're going to want to exit full screen, and during this, we have the Q&A turned off during this webinar, so that way when people are watching on our platform, they cannot use the Q&A there. They will use the Q&A on the platform, and you will be filtering all of this out to the speakers or panelists. So let me show you how that would work. So you still want to log in the normal way that you would. And now you're just going to log in. So you're good there. I'm going to go to sessions. And you just want to make sure to be on this session that's supposed to be going live. You do not want to join audio here because you are already going to be a part of that main session, so you don't have to do anything with that. And the speaker will be showing up here. So let me just, there's a little X right here. It's probably hard to see. X out there. So the speaker is probably going to show up like that. Now you can change your view if you need to, but like I said, this isn't going to matter because really the only thing that's going to matter is this chat. You're going to want to be able to see this chat while on FeedLoop or while on Zoom. From here, as the chats come in, you will just kind of watch them as they come in, and you will just type it into the chat here. So say somebody types something, what time is it? So say somebody asks this question, right? Well, what you can do is copy. Say if this is only for like important questions, if you want, you can copy and you can paste this into the chat here. And you could send this specifically to the speaker. He gets that chat, and now he can respond to this how he wants. Or, in different scenarios, what you can do is if you are supposed to be the one asking the question using the microphone that you have, you can unmute yourself by either clicking unmute and talking here, or you can use Alt-A, which will do it as well. That's about it. I would say play around with this. You do have a few different view options. You're never going to need to do anything with the remote control, but you could make your window whatever size you want it to be. We're using side-by-side mode, so that's what I would suggest anyways. We'll say fit to window, and now you can just watch this while this is occurring. So you will just be kind of bouncing back and forth between Zoom and this chat. You can select which questions you think are best and then put them into a chat directly to the speaker, or you can say them out loud by unmuting yourself. That's about it. Feel free to ask any questions if you have any, and we'll go from there. Thanks again.